Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to customize your control panel, your home screen panel on your HP Color LaserJet Pro. So firstly, open your embedded web server. To open this server, you need to type IP of your printer into your web browser. Then just click settings and find here control panel customization. Choose home screen customization, and here you will see the home screen of your printer, and you can customize the icons. For example, I can move apps, application, for example. I can customize icons inside apps folder. For example, I don't know, update sorry. Oh, I can't customize it. Okay, but I can see it and all. So, and that's it. So you can customize it to make your printer interface handy for you. For example, I really rarely using print option, so I wanna change it to apps. And great, now just click apply, wait a while, and great, the changes have been successfully updated. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!